Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. I've had a number of people communicate with me saying that they're happy to see the videos on the vegetables. They want to work more vegetables into their meal plans, but they're just not sure what to do with them. They're not overly versed in cooking, and when they grew up, Mom used to cook the vegetables to death and they didn't like them that way. I can't blame you there. So I've decided to start a video series on certain vegetables, specific vegetables 101, like green beans 101 and what to do with them. And this will help you figure out where to start when you see green beans in the grocery store and not be so intimidated with buying a package of fresh green beans. I'll be discussing a variety of things in the videos, like can they be eaten raw? Should they be eaten raw? And the pros and cons of raw versus cooking on that specific vegetable. I'll discuss fresh versus frozen versus canned and the pros and cons there. For those who are not overly versed on cooking, we'll discuss what you can do with them besides boiling them to death. Various cooking methods I'll cover, and also how to preserve them if you buy them fresh. It's not hard to do. I'll provide tips too, as like for instance like what herbs and spices might go with a particular vegetable, what foods go well with them. So this can help you in your meal planning so that you can successfully work more fresh vegetables, or vegetables period, into your food that you eat, and you will gain health benefits for having done that. So it's my goal to help you out. So I need you to help me by putting some comments in the comment section below and let me know what vegetables you would like to see me cover. I hope to cover as many as I possibly can, one at a time, through this series to help a lot of people. But if I know that you're looking for something in particular, I'll focus on that first. And then I will put as much information as I can in the description box below and also on my blog site, judiclee.com, and you'll see that come up after a video is released, and I'll get the blogs posted as quickly as I can, but sometimes there's a delay on that because I do a lot of things in my life. At any rate, I hope to help you out through this series. Help me out by letting me know what you would like to see. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Have a great day.